ask you actually, making a debut in Bollywood and doing a movie is anyways daunting. But making a debut with Salman Khan, and when you know that you have to sort of in every frame आपको एक certain level match करना है. And so what was your, just for people who don't know, the first day on the set, how was the feeling? Do you have butterflies in the stomach or because obviously everyone knows
जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि I'm actually really blessed. मैं बहुत लकी थी कि मुझे सलमान सर जैसे इंसान के साथ डेब्यू करने का मौका मिला, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा कि इतने प्यारे एक्टर्स थे कि वो सामने से मुझे बोलते थे कि हम पहले रिहर्स करेंगे उसके बाद शूट करेंगे. वो इसलिए नहीं कि उनको जरूरत है, वो इसलिए ताकि मुझे कंफर्टेबल फील करा सके. तो आई मीन ये छोटी सी बात से आपको शायद पता चल ही जाएगा कि उन्होंने मुझे कितना इजी फील करवाया. उन्होंने एक बार भी मुझे ऐसे फील नहीं करवाया कि मेरी डेब्यू करेंगे.
आपने कभी उनके डांस स्टेप्स करेक्ट कराए थे?
जब मैं असिस्टेंट थी तब हाँ कराए थे.
That's good. That also is a task यार. किसी को बोलना पता नहीं ना कौन, you don't know that personally at the time, तो कौन कैसे react करे, सही से हो ना हो.
नहीं, but then that's how it is ना. जब मैं मूवी कर रही थी, जब मैं तो वहाँ पे दूसरे कोरियोग्राफर थे, उनकी जो असिस्टेंट थी वो आके मुझे करेक्ट करती थी. सो दैट टाइम इट इज अ जॉब दैट यू आर बीइंग असाइन फॉर एंड यू हैव टू डू. तो एज एन एक्टर आपके दिमाग में ये नहीं होता है कि अच्छा मुझे करेक्ट करेगा, मुझे करेक्ट करेगा. एंड एज an assistant also you're like that is my job. I have to make sure that you are dancing good, you are looking good on the camera.
Correct. Asha, now coming back to fashion, which is your forte also and something that we do a lot of. So, you know, like I said at the beginning, Howenwear as a brand, me and my wife, we run this and we actually trying to, पता है बहुत सारे brands तो होते हैं to try and do like women's fashion and stuff, but हम genuinely कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि we try and bring global fashion to India. पता है because we have so many people, so many independent sort of fashion forward women who deserve to get the best product, you know. And as a brand हमें ये है कि यार हम we work with a studio in Europe जो हमारे साथ बैठ के we design stuff and obviously visit करके trends देख के and all of that. तो मतलब even point I'm making is as a brand भी हमारा एक जैसे research होता है and trends, colors, अब क्या करना है. It's not just कि कुछ भी बना दिया, कुछ भी ट्रेंड बना दिया, ठीक है एक बार किसी ने पहन लिया तो वो ट्रेंड बन गया. We actually try and do it the harder way, and that's why even though we are only 3.5 years old, तो I think जो हमारे customers हैं, we have sort of made a connection with them that Howenwear का एक quality है, Howenwear का एक certain specific vibe है, and that is very very similar and genuinely means very similar with you as a person because like I said, you do so many things. You are sort of जिसको बोलता है ना multi-language, multi-talent, free, independent, always willing to try something new, and you sort of you don't want to put in your 100%. How do you see us as a brand, and two the whole point of Zara and ये और तो बहुत होते हैं, but Indians should be making India proud. We should be making clothes जो हमारे लोग पहने, जो हमारे sensibility के हिसाब से हो. So what do you think about that?
I think how when wear clothing is about something for everyone. That's what I personally feel. जैसे आपने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया, लेकिन it resonates with me, तो मैं relate कर पाती हूँ क्योंकि and I've been wearing your brand clothes since like years, I would say, and I have always come back to you saying that I want this, I want that, I want to try this, I want to try that. So
as I said, like either you are on a vacation or you are going to your office or you are at home or you want to go for a date or you are going for a brunch or you are going out with your friends, the brand has everything. It's catering to everything.
Thank you. That's awesome. Abhi, we're getting a new collection out this weekend and hopefully you wear that and enjoy that. And before we wind up and all that, I want to do a little quick coffee with current type of quiz with you, okay? Like a small, not major, but okay. So, Salman or Shah Rukh? You can't say both, sir. Perfect. OTT or theatre?
Right now, OTT.
OTT. Dogs or cats? I think I know your answer, but dogs or cats?
I can't choose between animals. You can't do that to me.
No, you can. That's the whole point of this quiz.
Okay, so.
Oi, what's his name or her name?
He's Theo.
Theo.
Theo. Theo.
Theo. Hi, Theo. Hello. Achha, next question. Beaches or mountains? I think I already know that answer also, but yeah, beaches. What is sort of your favorite Gujarati snack?
So there's this dish
गुजराती में बनती है, उसको दाल ढोकली बोलते हैं. It's one of my favorite. और जो सीजनल होता है वो ऊंधियो is very famous in Gujarati cuisine, so that is it.
तो ऊंधियो और बड़ा पाव.
वड़ा पाव.
बड़ा. Nice. And since we are now heading into cricket season, Kohli or Dhoni?
दोनों अलग नहीं है. मतलब एक होली से रिलेटेड, एक धोनी क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड.
Kohli, Virat Kohli or Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
होली.
No.
ये मीम बनने वाला है कंफर्म. कोहली और धोनी. DOG धोनी.
Awesome. Are you a cricket fan?
Not really, but I sometimes do watch cricket जब घर में मम्मी या my sister.
Have you attended any like IPL games or CCL games or something like that?
I have attended IPL games, yes. I was at one point like supporting Gujarat Lions. So वो team के through I had attended few matches.
I'm hoping, since I'm a Mumbai fan and hopefully many people watching are Mumbai fans, that you are also supporting Mumbai Indians.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Awesome. See, that was easy, no? Not very difficult. So before we sign off, Daisy, I want to ask you, so
as somebody who's done it the hard way, who's इतना सब hard work करके, if there are people watching who, whatever field they want to get into, whether designing हो, acting हो, I want you to give them a little bit of advice कि यार देखो, hard work is the most important. आप patient रहो, hard work करो. Don't, because especially आज की generation में ना social media में people think कि यार एक reel viral हो गई या एक कुछ viral हो गया तो उससे it's not that. आप उसको viral करने के लिए भी hard work लगता है,
Exactly. तो इसके अंदर हार्ड वर्क तो आपने ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर दिया. उसमें कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत ज़रूरी है, रेजिलियंस बहुत ज़रूरी है, और खुद पे बिलीव होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. विच मीन्स देयर विल बी आउटसाइड फोर्सेस जो तुमको आके बोलेंगे तुम्हारे बस की नहीं है, तुम्हारे बस की नहीं है. तुम्हारा बिलीव तुम्हारे अंदर इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि आउटसाइड फोर्सेस आपके ऊपर इन्फ्लुएंस ना हो पाए.
Which is difficult, but like you said,
अगर आप consistently करते रहोगे, patient रहोगे, believe in God, then होगा. End of the day में होगा.
Of course. You will be on your path sooner or later. Simple.
Awesome. And last question before we go is, we're going to see you in 2024
soon somewhere.
Yeah.
You want to give us any details?
Because this film which will go on close by I think mid-April or end of April. It's called Bigu Attack. It's an army-based film. Or there's a web series which is gonna go on close by mid 2024, which I cannot talk much. ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकती मैं उसके बारे में. और Ghost of Gandhi का जो हमने announcement किया था, so we're waiting for the director to get back to his normal health because he was not keeping well. So we are waiting for him to resume to start getting on the floors.
Can you tell us more about that movie, because the title is only so interesting?
Ghost of Gandhi. It's about the lessons that Mahatma Gandhi taught us, and somewhere down the line we all forgot about it.
Awesome. Thank you so much for doing this. We will make sure we connect with you again when all of these projects are coming. And just personally and as a brand, I just want to say thank you to you,
Thank
because
you.
you've been
Thank you.
an amazing
Lovely
encouragement
talking to
to
you.
you.
hope we continue to enjoy wearing our clothes.
Yes.
And we'll see you soon.
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Thanks everyone.